Hey yo, welcome back. It's me, NanaV, and hi, right quick, just say hello, hi y'all. Okay, me and baby are in our new neighborhood, walking. We out in the country kind of like area, and we don't live on this side. We actually live over to the left side where there is a brand new railing put up. It was put up today. The gentleman was arriving here as I was leaving out, trying to make it, rushing to make it, not trying. I was kind of rushing to make it to my 10:30 physical therapy um, appointment. I do twice a week now, Mondays and Thursdays. I do my physical therapy that was set up for me by pain specialists and pain management doctor out of San Antonio. He has a Kerrville office. He's in town here in Kerrville on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But I don't see him that often. I saw him today for the second time. And the first time was the initial assessment, evaluation, and this, that, and the other. Today was a follow-up, and he was able to go over my results from my MRIs that he ordered, showing that not only do I have arthritis, which I already had a little bit of that in my neck and spine area. In addition to that, I have soft tissue injury that happened from getting rear-ended August 14th, and that's why we're doing he signed me up for physical therapy, and now today he said he would like to do an injection if I'm open to it, like a steroid injection in my neck, somewhere between C4, C5 or something, the neck connected to the spine area up there, back there. And look at that, nice. That guy did a nice job. He was done by 12 noon. I know it was done because they sent me pictures. I was still in town. Because after doing oh girl, we're not going back there. We don't live back there, and we're not going back there. Goodness gracious, she's nosy. She wants to explore. And there's a bunch of dogs be back there. Sometimes big ones, sometimes little ones. So I'm not taking her back in them people's area. That's somebody else lived there. So anyway, but I'm liking the job he did. Come on, let's walk up here to our place where we live. No, I don't feel like walking up there right now though, because I'm working on a craft project also. I don't think I want to put the whole craft project on video because of privacy and all that. But I'm working on oh my goodness, I didn't realize it has the flash on. Oh goodness gracious, let me turn the flash off. We don't need the flash on. It's light enough out here, good Lord. But I am working on a sign, because where I live, this is almost like an invisible driveway, hidden driveway is what they call it. People drive right by it, don't realize, because there was no number out there to show them that it was our house, our address. So I'm working on a see, can I do this and cover it up? Let me see. My hand ain't big enough. But anyway, this is going to be the top part of my address sign where people can see. It says Amazing Grace, just from the Dollar Tree. Pretty little. That's going to be like a top border. The bottom border is going to say, always stay humble and kind. Little flowers on the end, each end. In between these two borders is a board, which I'm not going to show the whole board because it's got our number on it, our address number. So when I learn how to edit again, I might do that kind of thing. But in the meantime, okay, so now we're going to walk back up. I want to do some, let me see, I might be able to catch um, quick shot of test colors that I wanted to see if I could do that right quick. I have from the Dollar Tree, of course. Let's see if this can fit up there temporarily. It's gonna be a paintbrush. Makeshift. Now I got this color right here. Done something. And then what's this other color here? Let's see. Dusk. Oh, so one is dawn. This one is dusk. How about that? Pre-mixed new formulas. Pouring paint. Well, are they open? They're sealed. Well, I won't be trying to take no pictures of this right now. Baby, we'll do this maybe another time. Okay, let's go. Thank you all for watching. Just a real quick check-in and all that in our new address out here in the woods. I love YouTubers, especially small. I love them all, but I love small YouTubers like myself. Y'all stay safe out there. And please stay blessed. Blessings. I'll be back, God willing. Over and out for now, y'all. Say bye, baby. Hey, bye. Good girl. There's your good girl.